Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery. Firstly, go into gallery, tap on this picture that I would like to hide, tap on the dots in the three dots in the bottom right corner and tap on add to album, private album. Okay. Now if you'd like to access the private album, you have to go into albums and now swipe down. I'm not sure which way. Wait. Oh, so you just have to swipe down and just hold it, and now release your finger. And now all that is left to do is just type in your password. In my case, it's going to be a pattern. And now that's going to be all. If I helped you, please do like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.